So, happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday.
So, hindi tayo nag-vlog kahapon, guys. Kasi, naging busy tayo dito sa batang ito. Dahil siya po ay hindi pumasok ng school yesterday. Dahil nilagnat siya in the middle of the night.
What?
What?
What are we gonna do?
Nothing. So, yan. But Troy is okay now.
What I got?
Huh?
I got this.
Say good morning first. Say good morning.
Morning. Oh yeah, Mom.
Ah.
I have this.
Here comes the video that we all had yes.
So, ito na yung lunch ni Troy, guys. So, ham lang yung gusto daw niya. So, yan, din ina natin siya sa dinosaur. And then, apple, fruit snack, Oreo, at saka itong favorite niya. So, it's 6:27 na. Ihatid natin sila sa school, guys. So, yan ang lunch ni Troy. Good morning. So, yung dalawang magkuya is kakain na lang daw sila sa school. So, hindi ko alam po anong lunch nila today kasi hindi naman nila sinabi ko ano yung lunch. So, we're gonna drop them off to school and then, punta tayo sa, landfill. Magtatapon tayo ng basura. So, kasi medyo marami tayong basura today. So, yeah. And also, natatakot ako dun sa road na ang sabi ng mga kaibigan ko is, they trying to fix it, pero baka i-close nila yung road. So, yeah. Good luck.
So I can't get
Are you ready to go back to school? You are? Yay!
my brother is ready to go back to
Ayan po.
school.
Do I need to get anything else?
Did Daddy get that plastic right there? Go get it. It's not that heavy, so...
Ma, this is
Yan. Inaano na nila yung trash can, mga basura para mailagay na sa sasakyan. Kasi 6:40 na. And dahil baka ma-stuck tayo sa dun sa school nila kung saan yung na flood ng na ngayon sabi ng friends ko tinatry daw nilang i-fix, but first time lang ni Daddy na makikita yon. So yeah,
Mom, are
So-
we ready to go?
we're almost ready to go. You ready to go?
Yeah, but can I bring my iPad?
No, we're not.
Also,
No. Go, Sissy. Go. It's not raining. Come on, Princess Aurora.
ready
She's in Aurora
to take
era. Go, Sissy. Go sit. Ayan guys, yung road na sinasabi ko. They are trying to fix it.
Yeah, they don't want to close down the whole road.
Huh?
They don't want to close the whole road. They fix it really good.
Joy, you getting this one?
Bye, love you. Shut the door for you. Troy, go. All right, turn around, sit down, Sissy. Turn around.
I love you. Miss Clark is inside.
Come on, come on, come on. Where is that?
Sissy,
Did you like that?
did you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, the bumpy ride. Your Aurora is buckled up too, huh? I think this is ready to go.
Just came in to go out.
Yeah.
You got $5?
So, dito na kami sa landfill, guys. Ayun na si Daddy. Nagtatraw na siya ng basura. You said you wanna see Daddy? Huh? You can't see him? It's okay. So after dito guys, we're gonna go get some breakfast. Ha, sisi? Nag-hide si sisi girl. Are you hiding from me? Hi guys, next year, nako, 4 na bata na yung hahatid natin sa school and pinag-uusapan lang namin ni Daddy na next year, 4 kids na yung i-drop off natin sa school and it's crazy. Very, very crazy. Huh? You're a little sad. Why?
Ready?
Yes, I think so. Is that it?
Yeah.
Here's your money.
Hold it.
You said you're sad?
Why are you sad, sissy?
She wanted to see you.
Oh.
I didn't unbuckle her. Look at her, Daddy. Look at her. Look at her.
Oh, it's okay, sissy.
No, look, she was like...
I know, I see it. We'll make it up to you.
What? So here is our breakfast, guys. Daddy and Sissy got the McDonald's. So we're going home.
Yeah, going home.
We're going home. You excited?
Yeah.
She's gonna say she's hungry, mommy.
Alright. Let's go home.
Juju. Take it with us.
Oh. Change the alis na tayo. Alright, go. Aray ko. Come on, girly.
I know I know.
Bagal mo.
I'm coming.
Nihintay na siya ni Daddy niya eh. Ayaw pa niyang sumama. Lamig. Oh my goodness.
I helped my mom find the remote
Good job.
Yes, she did. She did find the remote.
under the table.
So guys, nandito kami sa Walmart. Tingnan nyo, dahil Easter na. Dami nang galabas ang mga... Oh, I like this pink one. Sissy, look. Sissy. Gala-gala kami. Ayan, ang daming ano. Then, ang dami nito mga candy. Easter candy, guys. Get na to. Lagay to sa basket nila. Oh. Pang ano na, pang summer. Oh my God! Ooh.
So look up.
Troy, Caleb, Chad, and tingnan nyo guys, Natalia. Oh my God, we need to get this. There's a bucket right there too.
Which one?
The one that like this, it's gone. The Hello Kitty one, it's gone. Meron ganyan guys, similar to Hello Kitty, and it's gone now. It's probably right here. See Hello Kitty cup right there.
And then I guess this time we stopped again.
Probably so.
Probably still got something.
Tingnan nyo, ang cute nito. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Pinatago ko kay Natalia eh. Kasi baka makita niya. Ito, magugustahan to ng mga kids. Oh my gosh, kailangan bumili na tayo nito. Kasi pag late na naman ng bumili, mauubusan na naman ako. Ang cute nito. Ayan, ito, bagay to kay Kuya Chad for ano, sa bagong baonan. And then, ito kay Caleb, ay kay Chad. Troy pala. Walang baonan yung ano. Walang baonan yung Pokemon. Ito guys, ito bibili natin to kay Natalia. Magme-makeup siya, charot, hindi ah. Ay, ito ano na siya, may kompleto na siya oh. Ang cute nito, OMG. Tapos merong bucket, may bucket din sa ano. Oh my gosh. Ano si Bluey. What? I coming. What is it?
Oh, she's waiting on you to come.
Look at Mr. Peep.
We're standing still.
Mr. Peep. How sad ba? Your son. Tingnan nyo guys, itong ano ko, nakakairita. Kung kailan nabili na ni Daddy yung mga ano ko na white. Ngayon may mga pink naman na lumabas.
So the Dutch oven is what you want?
Yes, the Dutch oven.
What are you gonna make in it?
But I want it pink.
What are you gonna make in it?
I don't know.
No, stop whining. Stop whining, we're just waiting to leave.
Tinitingnan niya yung sarili niya sa camera. May camera kasi dito. Nasaan na ba yung gamot? Kasi kailangan ni Troy ng... Diyos ko, nahilo naman ako. Wala, nahilo ako. Ito si Natalia kasi.
Which one should we get?
Nahilo ako, wait lang.
Which one should we get?
I have no idea. Oh, ito. Ito, here.
Oh, yeah.
Nahilo ako sa'yo, Natalia. Diyos ko po.
That'll keep him good.
Hold that.
That'll keep him much. This will keep him better.
Yes, that's gonna keep him better. You too. Yan. Kailangan niya kasi eh. Dahil
Mama,
inuubo
hands
pa
are
rin
getting
siya.
full. Just one at a time.
Nahilo ako sa'yo. Wait lang. Uy, nahilo ako.
Let's go.
Biglang umikot yung paningin ko.
Here he is. Stop. Hey, Daddy.
It's okay. Just go ahead and put it in the cart. Don't drop it, huh? Don't drop it. There we go. Good job. Alright. So, nahilo ako, guys. So, Daddy's getting me some drink.
To the rescue.
Daddy's to the rescue.
Your feet are in the lava.
Yeah, look at you.
Mama. Oh.
Ayaw na niya dito, guys. Gusto niya doon.
Around the lava.
Well, they did my comment about my phone.
So, guys, dito kami sa, gas station.
Thirsty.
Nakapark kami dito. Sissy, here, try this one. So, nag-order kami ng Chick-fil-A for lunch. And then si Daddy, nag-order siya ng nuggets for Natalia dito sa gas station. Ay, shoot, that's daddy. Oops. Oops. Here. Good, good. There you go. It's a shake.
Good. Tastes so good.
Mm-hmm.
The shake looks.
Tastes so good, huh?
It tastes like.
It's chocolate.
It tastes like salt.
Here. Arte nito eh. Sobrang picky ni Natalia, guys. As in, nahihirapan ako sa kanya. So, dito na lang kami kakain sa gas station. While, waiting for Daddy.
Do I have birthday, Mommy?
Hmm?
Do I have birthday?
Yes, you do.
Yeah, birthday today. I love ballet.
Yeah, you have a ballet today.
Today, I love ballet
Do you want me to take you to ballet, or you want Daddy to take you?
Let me think.
Ay, ito pala isa.
Dad!
You want Daddy to take you to ballet?
Yeah. I'm tired of you taking me to ballet.
Oh my gosh, did you guys hear what she said? She said she is tired of me taking her to ballet. Alam niyo ba yung last na dinala ko siya sa ballet? It's like, freaking, ang tagal-tagal na. Tapos ngayon, she's gonna say, she's tired of me taking her to ballet. Si Daddy yung laging nagdadala sa kanya sa ballet. And now she's saying she's tired of me taking her to ballet. How dare you, girl?
I just want Daddy to take.
Well, you know what? I have to take you to ballet. You know why?
Why?
Because Daddy wants to play with Kuya.
Oh.
With their new games.
Okay.
So,
Daddy stays at your house. And I stay.
Daddy's staying at our house while he play with Kuya's. While I'll take you to ballet. Yeah. Here, come here and try this nuggets.
Okay.
Maarte kasi itong babaitan to eh. Gusto, ano eh.
Kinda.
Kind of what?
Good.
You like it? Or you don't?
I do.
You do?
You like it?
You like it? You'll get the nuggets. Bibigyan mo siya ng ano, small bite. Tapos, pagka-anuhan na, no, I don't want it anymore. Sasabihin, it's good.
Got the one. Got the here. Doing the. Thirsty.
You don't want this? You can have some. You can drink some of that if you want.
I really like drinking. Just
You-
one drink and then that's it for me.
Okay. You drink water when we get home, okay?
Okay. If I can be like this, if I can be shorter like this, this will be okay, Mommy.
Hold on. Kuya's teacher message. So guys, bahay na kami. Oh my gosh, hindi nyo alam kung gaano ka-stress itong ano ng school today. Sobrang binigyan kami ng stress, as in yung mga bata is dapat magra-ride sila ng bus. And tumawag ang school kasi ginagawa na nila yung nabiyak na ano dun sa may daanan doon na pinakita ko sa inyo. Tapos, sinabi na pag nag-dig sila ng hole, it's gonna take 15 minutes na pag mag-dig sila ng hole. So, magiging traffic. So okay lang. Sige, okay lang. And then, 2:45, paano na? 3:04 na, guys. 2:45, tumatawag yung teacher ni Caleb sa akin, tapos tumatawag sa asawa ko. Pero dahil kasi nandoon kami sa mother-in-law ko, hindi ko nadala yung phone ko. So, tumatawag sila sa akin, tumatawag sila sa asawa ko. So, yung asawa ko, kasi siya talaga yung magpipick up sa mga bata sa bus. Ngayon, ang nangyari, tumawag sila, hindi daw magra-run yung bus. O, 'di ba? Sobrang naloka kami. So, ngayon, hawak ng mga teacher kasi hindi naman nila pwedeng yung mga bata, 'di ba? So, hawak ng mga teacher yung mga bata hanggang sa dumating ka doon na pick upin sila. So, yun, papunta na yung asawa ko sa school para pick upin yung mga bata. Ngayon, tumawag ulit ng teacher. Sinabi na, malilate lang yung bus. Ganyan, malilate yung bus, pero papunta na dyan. Nakasakay na sila. Tapos, yung kapitbahay namin dito, kung naririnig niyo yung name na Levi, iniiwan siya dito sa amin. Kasi yung both parents niya is nagwo-work. So, pagdating ng tatay niya, sinusundo siya dito. Tapos, ngayon, ang nangyari, nagkahiwalay sila. Pero same bus lang yung sinasakyan nila. So, nagkahiwalay sila. Itong Levi, nasa school. Nasundo na siya ng nanay niya. As in, talagang nagtatawagan kami ng parents ni Levi. Kasi nga, dapat talaga magkakasama sila uuwi. Pero ang nangyari, nagkahiwa-hiwalay sila. So, ayun. So, pauwi na sila. Oh my gosh. As in, nakakaloka, nakaka-stress. So, sabi ko sa asawa ko, tomorrow, susunduin ko na lang sila sa school. Dahil, naka-cancel yung practice ni Chad sa choir. Kung hindi ko pa nasabi na nag-join si Kuya Chad sa choir. So, dapat meron siyang practice today. And tomorrow, pupunta dapat kami sa ibang school para mag-extra practice sila. Pero dahil nga sa flooding and everything na nangyari sa school, so yung teacher nila ng music is until now naghahanap pa ng room kung saan ilalagay lahat yung mga gamit niya kasi na-damage din yung room niya. Kaya wala tayong practice tomorrow, thank you gosh. Kasi talagang ayoko mag-drive all the way dun sa school na yon dahil hindi ako familiar sa school na yon. Kaya, so sabi ko sa asawa ko at saka sa mama ni Levi na pipick upin ko na lang silang silang apat sa school bukas. So, para hindi na tayo ma-stress ng ganito, sabi ko, ipipick upin ko na lang sila kasi nilagay niya ako dun kasi dito sa America guys, meron kang emergency contact at saka yung allowed kung sino yung magpipick up sa anak mo kasi walang ibang pwedeng mag-pick up dito. Hindi ka guys sa Pilipinas na pwede kung sino-sino lang yung mag-pick up sa anak mo. Ganyan. Para na lang kung high school ka na, ganon. Pero elementary hanggang middle school, kailangan meron kang emergency contact. Kahit naman high school, meron pa din emergency contact just in case lang may nangyari sa'yo na hindi ka pwedeng mag-drive or ganyan, may nangyari sa'yo, para sa especially parents number. So, yun, nilagay niya ako sa emergency contact nung anak niya para ako yung magsusundo sa kanya pagka hindi nila siya masusundo, ganon. So, ako yung, 'di ba? Trustworthy. Hi! Sobrang sobrang flattered ako kasi na nilagay niya ako sa emergency contact niya, yung ganon, na pumapayag siya na sunduin ko yung anak niya. Yung sobrang nakaka-flattered yung ganon, guys, na like, mayroong isang parents na nagtitiwala sa'yo na anihin na sunduin yung anak niya, yung ganon. Ganon na naman yung iba kong friend, pero nakalagay din ako sa kanilang emergency contact just in case na pick upin ko yung mga anak nila, ganon. But yeah. Pero never pa nangyari yon. Siya lang, yung si Levi lang yung talagang na sinusundo ko. Yung ganon. So, nakaka-flattered lang. Wala lang, na-stress lang talaga ako dahil, na-stress lang talaga ako. But anyways, magre-ready na tayo dahil melong ballet si Natalia today. Kaya magre-ready na tayo dahil ang ballet ni Natalia is 5 o'clock and it's 3:09 na. So, aalis tayo maaga para makakuha tayo ng mas maayos na parking lot kasi napakaliit lang nung parking area doon. Ang normally na naghahatid sa kanya is daddy niya. Kagaya nga ng sabi niya kaganina, tired na daw siya na akong naghahatid sa kanya. Pero ang tagal-tagal na since nung hinahatid ko siya sa ballet. Buang na babaeng to. But yun. Kaya, ihahatid natin siya sa ballet today, guys. All 3 of you are here?
Yes.
Oh, like crap. What the heck happened?
The bus didn't. The bus broke down.
Mike,
Yeah.
he was stopped by the construction. He was delayed there.
Then why was
down.
Levi was not on the bus then?
Oh, he had to go with Miss Harvey.
And guys, ready na si Natalia for her ballet. It's been a long time since hinatid ko tong babaitan to. May paganyan-ganyan ka pa. Turn around. Show them. Ooh, look at you, Miss Pris.
And I'm gonna bring my iPad with
Okay. Alright, let's go.
so
Get
I
in.
can't.
Open the door. Got it?
It's too hard.
You ready, sis?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go guys sa kanyang ballet. Let's go! Ayan na guys, ready na si Natalia. Let's go! Okay, let me get a picture of you first. So guys, pick upin na natin si Natalia. It's time. Let's go. There's Ate Girl. So guys, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung costume ni Natalia. Meron na siyang costume. So pakita ko sa inyo pag uwi natin sa bahay. So let's go. So here is Natalia's costume. Ay, gusto niya nang tanggalin.
You look,
Look
so
at you.
beautiful.
You're so beautiful. Turn around, turn around. Look at you.
Did you get another sticker?
No, not sticker. Stamp.
It's a hard one.
Yeah. Look at you, sissy. Look at you.